3D printing utilizes many different types of materials to create almost anything you could think of. While the most popular materials are still plastic and resin, machines can also print with stainless steel, aluminum, concrete, wood, and even nylon. Now, two companies are using a new material in a wide range of products. So let's take a look at what digital foam is and how it could drastically improve the sporting equipment industry. Introduced in 2017 by Carbon 3D, 3D printed foam combines elastomeric materials printed in a lattice structure to create foam-like characteristics. Industrial 3D printing firm EOS also expanded on this technology in 2019 with its own program, dubbing the product Digital Foam. A 3D printed foam can have different zones of stiffness and softness throughout a continuous 3D structure. This creates opportunities for customization, which is ideal for products like sporting equipment or automotive interiors. Printing with any new material is challenging enough, but add the unpredictability of an elastic foam-like material, and the process becomes very expensive and time-consuming. In response to these challenges, EOS partnered with computer design firm N-Topology. The goal was to simplify the engineering required during design, thereby accelerating manufacturing and increasing production of potential products. Among the benefits of using digital foam is that it reduces the supply chain complexity and overall material waste. For example, Atrex Shoe Company has applied digital foam to design premium comfort insoles. Traditionally, a comfort insert would be made of 3 different layers, one to provide the support, another to absorb the pressure, and then a third top layer to provide comfort. This would result in 3 different materials glued together. But by using digital foam, the designer could print a single piece with each layer built one on top of the other, using a different build structure to change the properties of those layers. By using the same material throughout, scraps and failed prints could be 100% recycled and reused. Another benefit is the ability to produce custom-fitting products, which is extremely beneficial to sporting equipment. So much so that Riddell and Bauer, two of the leading sporting equipment manufacturers, partnered with Carbon 3D and EOS to incorporate this technology to enhance their products and protect players. Riddell introduced its Diamond Precision technology, which uses Carbon 3D's foam-like product to make a customized helmet liner. The process relies on Riddell's precision fit head scanning to design a liner that is customized to a player's head and position. The liners were initially trialed by a few top players in the NFL and have grown in popularity since their release. In fact, 5 out of the 8 starting quarterbacks in the divisional round of the 2023 playoffs used this technology. Additionally, Bauer partnered with EOS to introduce its My Bauer custom equipment program, which showcased the 3rd generation of Bauer's React hockey helmet that featured a digital foam printed liner. According to Bauer, these digital foam inserts offer better breathability, improved comfort, and are lighter compared to previous generations. As these partnerships grow, so will the information these companies gather. Both Carbon 3D and EOS will continue to iterate their lattice structures and materials to provide the best protection in all sports. Digital foam has the potential to create new capabilities and enable innovation for manufacturers and designers. But for the end user, consumers are going to get better products, more comfortable shoes, safer helmets, and even better office furniture. Where do you think this technology could be applied? Comment down below. Thanks for watching.